Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to Timeless Wisdom, where we share simple, practical, and heartfelt tips to make life a little easier and a lot more joyful. Today, I want to discuss a common challenge many of us face as we age: decluttering. Imagine this. You're sitting in your favorite chair, perhaps with a warm cup of tea, looking around your home. Those cabinets you've opened 1,000 times might now seem overly stuffed. What is chaos decluttering? Perhaps the drawers don't glide as smoothly as they once did, and those just-in-case items seem to have multiplied, haven't they? If this resonates with you, remember, you are not alone. Decluttering can seem daunting, especially when our homes are filled with decades of memories, treasures, and, let's face it, some items we no longer need. But today, I'm here to introduce you to a new approach that not only clears space, but also helps you reconnect with what truly matters. It's called the Chaos Decluttering Method. Before the word chaos scares you, rest assured, I'll guide you through each step. We'll tailor this method to fit your personal needs, energy levels, and most importantly, your cherished memories. If you're ready to make your home feel lighter, safer, and more joy-filled, stick with me. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Wisdom, your go-to channel for advice on enjoying your golden years. It's free and packed with useful tips, like this one. Now, let's explore what the Chaos Decluttering Method entails. Emotional side of decluttering. Developed by Kim Jones, this method is founded on a bold principle: total immersion. You start by choosing an area, like a dresser, a closet, or a kitchen cabinet, and you completely empty it. Yes, everything must come out, laid out where you can see it all at once. It might look messy initially, but this temporary chaos is the pathway to enduring clarity. I know this might seem overwhelming, and believe me, I understand. After years of accumulating mementos, tools, and various items just in case, I know how each piece can seem indispensable. However, the beauty of this method lies in its ability to help you step back and assess your space, belongings, and needs. Think of it as pressing the refresh button on your home. This process isn't about discarding your past. It's about reshaping your space to better support your current lifestyle. Let's pause to consider the emotional aspect of decluttering. Adapting the method to your needs. Truthfully, decluttering isn't just about removing stuff. It's about managing the memories and emotions attached to what we own. Each drawer, shelf, and trinket tells a part of our story, and parting with them can feel like losing a piece of ourselves. That's why decluttering can be so difficult for many seniors, including myself. But here's a reassuring thought. Creating a more organized and open home doesn't erase memories. Instead, it provides a refreshed space to honor those memories in a way that's lighter, freer, and more joyful. For instance, when I first adopted the chaos method, I was astonished to find that 3 dresser drawers amounted to a mountain of long-forgotten clothing. Sorting through them, I rediscovered sentimental items that brought joy, like a shirt from a memorable trip. However, I also found many items that no longer served me, and parting with those felt surprisingly liberating. Remember, decluttering isn't about erasing your story. It's about selectively preserving it to enrich your current life. Now, let's talk about how to adapt the chaos decluttering method to fit your needs. If the thought of emptying an entire room feels overwhelming, don't worry. You don't have to do it all at once. In fact, starting small can be just as effective, especially for those of us who might not have the same energy we did 20 years ago. Here's my advice. Start with 1 drawer, 1 shelf, or even 1 small cabinet. That's it. Tackling a bite-sized space can help you build momentum without feeling like the task is too much. I remember starting with just a single kitchen drawer, and before I knew it, I was motivated to move on to the next. It's like giving yourself a little victory to build on. As you work, focus on grouping similar items together. Books go with books, sweaters with sweaters, and kitchen gadgets with You guessed it, other gadgets. This small step makes the decision-making process so much easier. It's also a great way to see duplicates you didn't realize you had. For me, I discovered I have 5 spatulas. Who needs that many spatulas? And here's the most important part. Respect your energy levels. For older adults, pacing yourself is key. There's no need to exhaust yourself by trying to finish everything in one day. Set a timer for 30 minutes or an hour, work steadily, and then give yourself a break. You've earned it. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's be honest, decluttering isn't just physical work. It's an emotional roller coaster. You might stumble across a keepsake that brings a smile to your face, or a letter that brings tears to your eyes. And then there's the guilt, safety, and practical tips. The feeling that you're wasting something by letting it go. But here's the truth. It's okay to feel all of that. One thing that helped me was creating a maybe bin. If I wasn't ready to part with something, I placed it there to revisit later. It gave me time to think without the pressure of making a quick decision. Now, let's dive into some practical tips, tailored specifically for us seniors. Decluttering isn't just about making your home look neat. It's also about making it safe and functional so you can enjoy it to the fullest. First and foremost, prioritize safety. As we get older, clear walkways and secure spaces become essential. Remove anything that could trip you up, like loose rugs or cluttered floors. Think about it this way. Your home should feel like a sanctuary, not an obstacle course. Next, consider creating a memory corner. Many of us hold on to sentimental items scattered all over the house, photos, souvenirs, or letters. Instead of letting them clutter every surface, dedicate one special spot to display them. A corner table or a small shelf works perfectly. This way, you can celebrate your memories while keeping the rest of your space open and organized. Finally, embrace prime real estate. Keep the things that you use most often within easy reach. For instance, everyday dishes should go in the lower cabinets where you don't have to stretch or strain to grab them. Items you use less frequently, like seasonal decorations, can go on higher shelves. Small adjustments like these make your daily routine so much smoother and safer too. What I love most about the Chaos Decluttering Method is that it gives you a fresh perspective, a true fresh start. When you empty a space and see it completely bare, you're not just cleaning, you're reimagining your home. It's like moving in all over again, but this time you get to decide exactly how everything should be organized to suit your life. Now, I experienced this myself when I tackled my closet. I let go of clothing I haven't worn in decades, pieces that no longer fit my style or my lifestyle. What I kept were the items that truly worked for me. Today, the result? A refreshing, functional space that brings me joy every time I open it. 3 easier twists on chaos decluttering. Now, if the idea of diving headfirst into chaos feels a little daunting, don't worry. I've got you covered. Over the years, I've developed my own 3 twists on the Chaos Decluttering Method to make it more manageable, especially for those of us who might not want to tackle everything all at once. First, work in zones. Instead of emptying an entire room, focus on smaller, specific areas. Maybe it's the top shelf of your closet, the kitchen junk drawer, or even just one section of a cabinet. These bite-sized tasks feel less intimidating and give you a quick win. It's a great way to build momentum without feeling overwhelmed. Second, set time limits. Decluttering doesn't have to take up your entire day. Set a timer for 30 minutes and focus on what you can get done in that time. You'll be amazed how much progress you can make in just half an hour. Short, focused bursts keep the process manageable and ensure you don't overexert yourself. Third, enlist help. If you're tackling a larger project, like a garage or a big closet, ask a friend or family member to join you. Having someone there not only lightens the workload, but also turns the task into a shared experience. Plus, You can swap stories about old items you come across, making the process more enjoyable and less stressful. These simple tweaks can make a world of difference, especially for those of us who prefer to take things one step at a time. Now, close your eyes for a moment and imagine this: walking into your home and instantly feeling a wave of calm. The drawers glide open effortlessly, the countertops are clear, and there's no more weaving around piles of sundry items. That's the joy of a decluttered home, a space that doesn't just look good, but truly works for you. Benefits of a decluttered home. Decluttering is about more than making room. It's about creating a home that reflects your life now, supports your needs, and gives you the freedom to focus on what really matters. As we get older, our priorities change. The items that once felt indispensable might not carry the same weight today, and that's okay. By letting go of the physical clutter, you're making room for something even more valuable: comfort, freedom, and the opportunity to embrace this next chapter of life. So, are you ready to give chaos decluttering a try? Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process. Your home is ready too. I'd love to hear how your decluttering journey unfolds. Please share your decluttering stories in the comments below. I'm here to support you, and remember, each small step you take leads you closer to a home that's calm, joyful, and clear. You can do this. Start your decluttering journey today. Thank you for watching Timeless Wisdom. Until next time, take care and enjoy decluttering. Happy decluttering. Don't hesitate to leave a comment with your experiences or any questions you might have. We love hearing from you.